Can you guess what it is? So, welcome to episode 2 of the
Masked Finger.
And you guys know how this goes. What are you?
What are you? What are you?
And our masked guest today is nail polish. So as you can see, this is still a blast to us guys. So here's your objective. Some of you may already know from being here last time. You have to figure out what nail polish is covering up here. Who really is underneath the nail polish? We're going to give you clues and hints along the way. So I wonder who can figure it out. While you're giving it some thought, I started with that burgundy from Kiss Gel Polish, which I got from the Dollar Tree. This metallic rose gold is the same as the silver one that I've used in previous sets. I've had them for a few years and really can't remember where I purchased them. I really like these polishes and love the metallic finish it gives. I really like the color combination in this set, and I love how it turned out in the end. While I'm going in with this second coat, do you have any thoughts on what this could be? While you're still thinking about it, here is your first clue.
I am very bright, and all the people love and adore me.
Now that's interesting.
It is, isn't it? As I'm finishing up the second coat on this one, I came across some stones. Some stones, guys, some stones. And they just so happen to match the burgundy color in this set, guys. It just seems as if I'm continuing to come across things that are falling into place when doing this series. It must be meant to be. What do you guys think? Now, many of you who have been following the Bougie Nails on a Budget series knows that I've been emphasizing the series using regular polish, in which drying time does apply. And when I choose to add embellishments, I'll use a layer of clear top coat and then a fast drying glue that I'll place before the top coat is dry. That helps to secure your embellishments, and it's always worked for me. But remember, I said fast drying glue, so you have to work kind of quickly and accurately. Initially, I was a little hesitant to do stones on this chrome-like finish because in my mind I'm thinking chrome-like, it's going to be slippery, they're not going to stay, but it actually turned out to be beautiful in the end. Here, too much of the fast gliding glue started dripping out, and I just started trying to kind of like pick it up with my picker tool, and eventually you'll see me absorb some with the end of a paper towel. I'm wondering if any of you even caught that. I didn't catch it until editing, so I just decided to leave it in just because this is supposed to be all about fun. Did any of you guys catch that I said fast gliding glue? And while we're having this good time, I'm wondering if anybody has figured this out yet. You guys should be putting something in your comments and playing along. Oh, and if you're enjoying this video, remember to hit the like button. So if you haven't figured it out, in the meantime, again, while you're thinking, here is your second clue.
I have been well known to be a very impressive imposter.
This is sounding like a movie actor.
These burgundy stones offer an awesome contrast to the chrome finish rose-colored nail. And then I found this huge chunk of a piece that I think just set this off. And while I'm doing this, if you are new here today or just visiting and you missed the first one of these, there is an episode 1 to this, guys. That one is a lot of fun as well. You may want to check that out. I'll have a link for it in my description box, along with the other few videos. Now this time I didn't do an in the making of the mask finger because this actually was put together on the spur of the moment. But look at that polish bottle, guys. What do you think of the polish bottle? Did I do a set in that color, or have you? And here's one of my favorites, as you guys know, matte finish. Oh, and I know you guys are still trying to get that peek behind the polish bottle, hoping that I would turn my hand so far that you could see what's back there, but Look at polish, just too cute. And it even looks like a real glass bottle, doesn't it? I should make a blue set just to wear with it. So I'm just going in with a clear top coat to finish this set off. And while I'm doing that, here is your third and final clue.
I know that I will be an all-time favorite forever.
This seems so easy, but it's so hard.
I know, right? So there you have it, guys. All of your clues have been given to you. So what do you think is under the polish bottle? Here is your final glimpse at polish bottle while it's still part of this set. Have you figured it out yet? You guys should have some thoughts by now. So Polish, do you have any words to share with our viewers today?
I had no idea I was going to have this much fun and that you guys are going to like this as much as you do, and I really appreciate you. If you are new to this channel or even just visiting, consider subscribing and become part of this NailTube family with me.
Thank you for that, Polish. And when you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell so that you can become part of this family like Polish said. And now comes the moment of truth.
Oh, I can't wait.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
Oh, the excitement.
Oh, I can't watch.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, it's nail bling. Stones, guys, some stones. So guys, I'm wondering if anyone figured this one out.
I thought about it.
I did too. Yes, honey. Nail bling, everybody. Nail crystals, or even known as the imposter Swarovski crystals. Nail bling, we want to thank you for being here with us today. We really enjoyed you. And here's your final glimpse at what was known as formerly the polish, now known as the nail bling. Go out there and get your sparkle on, and I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Much love.